Here, the raw materials are transformed. The blast furnace reaches temperatures nearing 2,000 degrees Celsius.
Check the temperature on line 3, make sure it holds steady.
Stable at 1500 degrees, optimizing the flow rate now.
Here at the heart of the Megafactory, the raw materials are transformed. Molten steel flows at
The temperature in furnace 3 is spiking again. Reroute the coolant immediately.
Confirmed, flow rate adjusted.
Inside the Megafactory, the blast furnaces roar, transforming raw materials into the very backbone of industry.
The carbonization time is critical here. We can't rush the process or we risk the whole batch.
Here, deep within the blast furnace, raw materials are transformed. A river of molten metal flows towards
Rolling sequence engaged. Monitor the temperature on cell 4. We have incoming molten flow.
The steel industry operates on a massive scale, transforming raw materials like coke into the building blocks of our world.
Watch the temperature on the south side gauge, it's spiking again.
I see it. Adjusting the coolant flow now.
We need to increase the flow rate on line 3.
Confirmed. Watch the pressure gauge.
The blast furnace operates at extreme temperatures, separating the impurities, or slag, from the molten iron before it moves to the rolling mills.
Lower the pour speed by 5%. Copy that, adjusting now.
The heart of the Megafactory, where the blast furnace transforms raw ore into a river of liquid steel, flowing at temperatures
The current flow rate is optimized for the next slab. Monitor the cooling jets closely.
Roger that.
Check the flow rate on channel 3.
Confirmed. Maintaining steady pour.
We have a fluctuation on furnace 3.
Rerouting the slab now.
Bring it down slowly.
Watch the temperature on the south side.
Check the flow rate on Sector 4.
It's steady, but watch the temperature gauge.
Keep the flow steady.
Ladle 3 is almost full. Slow it down.
The heart of the factory, where molten iron transforms into steel, a process demanding precision and constant vigilance from the crew.
We've got a fluctuation on the pressure valve. Keep the flow steady. We're almost at capacity.
It's coming through the rollers now.
Guiding it to the next section.
Maintain the speed.
Check the flow rate on Sector 4. It's running hot.
Increasing the pressure now. Keep clear of the steam.
The blast furnace operates at temperatures exceeding 2,000 degrees Celsius, transforming raw iron ore into the molten heart of the factory.
The continuous casting machine pulls the newly formed steel downward in a mesmerizing display of raw heat and mechanized power.
The temperature on slab 7 is still high. Adjust the coolant flow rate by 5%.
We are initiating the lift sequence on Bay 4. Clear the trajectory.
Confirmed. The path is clear. Proceed with caution.
Slow the feed on mill 4.
Copy that. Slowing it down now. Monitor the temperature on the next slab coming through.
Confirmed. We are steady.
Check the alignment, it's shifting left. Maintain pressure, keep it moving.
Here in the Megafactory, the blast furnaces burn at temperatures exceeding 2,000 degrees Celsius, turning raw ore into a river of molten steel.
rollers are engaged on the next beam. Maintain temperature levels at 1900 degrees Celsius.
Slow the rollers down now. Confirmed. Slowing it down.
From the blast furnace to the rolling mill, this is where the future is forged. A symphony of heat, power, and human ingenuity.
The blast furnace reaches temperatures exceeding 2000 degrees Celsius, transforming raw iron ore into liquid steel.
The blast furnaces roar continuously, transforming raw materials into rivers of molten steel, which is then
The heart of the Megafactory, where gigantic blast furnaces feed the rivers of molten metal and enormous rolling mills shape the future.
The scanner is showing an uneven temperature gradient here.
It's cooling too fast on the edges.
We need to adjust the speed.
Keep an eye on the temperature, it's fluctuating.
We have an issue with the width measurement right here.
I see it. Adjusting the rollers now. Check the alignment on that slab.
It's drifting left, adjusting the rollers now.
At the heart of the Megafactory, the cutting machines precisely trim the red-hot beams before they move to the rolling mills.
Here in the heart of the Megafactory, the blast furnaces roar, turning raw iron into rivers of molten steel before it hits the rolling mills.
The slab is coming through now. Keep the pressure steady.
Copy that. Watching the temperature on Sector 4.
Check the flow rate, it's fluctuating again.
I see it. Adjusting the mixture now.
All right, easy now, bring it down slow. Roger that, set her down gentle. Hook it up now, it's secure, go ahead.
Deep within the heart of the Megafactory, the blast furnaces roar to life, forging the steel that builds the world.
Mill 2, we have an overheat on the slab.
Copy that. Adjusting speed now.
We need to adjust the rollers on slab 204.
Confirmed. Ensure the cooling spray is active.